Hello, welcome to Jun's Kitchen. Well, when I go abroad for a trip, I really enjoy to visit the country's supermarket or traditional market, especially exploring food stuff. And I actually do not spend that much money for clothing or some expensive souvenirs, but I spend some money for getting sauce or paste of that country. Well, I think you might have that kind of experience too, and maybe some of you already have some Korean sauce and paste, but I just do not expect you want to use it for just Korean food. You might want to use it for your own country's food. Well, so today I'm going to use soy paste for roast pork. It's really simple recipe, but quite delicious. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. I prepared 600 gram of picnic part without any skin, and I'm going to cut into 3 pieces to reduce the roasting time. You can use bacon part, belly part, or even spare ribs okay with this recipe. Well, these 2 pieces have fat on the top. Well, not this one that much. So I'm going to carve the fat with knife to make marinate it more well through the fat like this. Well, kind of diamond shape carve. Marinating sauce is really simple. First, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. This is whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon, but it doesn't need to be whole grain, whatever you have. And 2 tablespoons of masul, cooking wine, or sake will be alright, or even white wine will be alright. I add 1 tablespoon of honey, but it really depends on your taste. You can add more or less. And 3 tablespoons of soy paste. Well, this is it. You just need to mix well. After marinating, cover and leave it in the fridge overnight. Usually I marinate 1 night before, but 4 or 5 hours of marinating before cooking is okay. Well, you can see the water came from the meat, and the meat itself actually becomes a little bit softer than before. Yeah. Well, now I'm going to put this meat on the rack to roast, but before that, I'm going to get rid of some ingredients outside the meat because it's easy to get burnt. So get rid of the sauce slightly like this and put it on the rack. I'm going to roast roughly 15 minutes, temperature, oven temperature 190 degree, but I'm going to turn it over in the middle once. I roasted 25 minutes and I think it looks fine. After turn it over like this, I'm going to roast another 25 minutes. But if you're using electric oven, better check yourself. It really depends on your facility. Anyway, it's finished. Looks nice. Well, I'm going to rest these meats while I'm preparing salad and sauce. I'm going to use mayonnaise for two different kinds of sauce, but really simple ones. Mixed with barbecue sauce and sriracha sauce. Well, any kind of sauce you have will be alright. Portions for each sauce depends on you. You can just serve with barbecue sauce and sriracha sauce without mixing with mayonnaise. I'm not going to add any honey or sugar for this sauce, but if you like, you can. When I serve this dish, I usually slice the meat like this. I really recommend you to taste the meat by itself without any sauce first. Maybe you like that better, more. Serving with a simple salad mixed with perilla oil and sauces. 맛있게 드세요.
Well, how was it? It was so simple, isn't it? And you can actually adjust the amount of soy paste according to your own taste. If you think it's a bit salty, you can reduce. If it's not salty enough, then you can add more. Well, other ingredients the same. If you like garlic, you can put more. Sometimes you can add even ginger. They are all okay. Just a simple recipe. If you prepare in advance, the rest part is really easy peasy. And well, if you actually do not have any of these sauce paste, then I recommend you buy a small size one. Well, soy paste, you can keep it quite a long time. Well, even in the room temperature. So you don't have to buy that big size one. Just try some and try with your own food. And if you like it, you can buy a big size one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. And thanks for watching. And any comment will be welcome. See you next time.